The next big thing in AI is marketing. The latest models have made automating marketing easier and better than ever, not as a chatbot on your website, as agents that do the work. They enrich lists, they hold your search rankings, they reopen dead conversations, they reply in minutes when a prospect raises their hand. I'm a software engineer. I spent the last year studying how the highest performing AI driven businesses actually structure their systems. And by the end of this video, you'll know the 5 systems that turn marketing from manual labor into an agentic loop. A loop that generates demand, enriches, reactivates dead leads, and responds in minutes, not days. An AI marketing agent is a workflow that runs on a schedule or on a trigger and does real work without asking permission. And that's it. Here is what you will learn. The 5 marketing systems you can automate today: mass lead enrichment, SEO reactivation on messaging platforms, speed to lead, and pre-call research. Then I will show you how to build them in the harness of your choice. Context first, tools second, skills third. Let's start with system 1. System 1 feels almost like free revenue. This is reactivation. Here's the scenario. A lead raised their hand weeks ago. They message you on one of your many inbound channels. They asked a question. Someone answered halfway. The thread went quiet. The lead slipped through the cracks. In most businesses, the lead is dead. Nobody goes back. Nobody has time to scroll old messages. A reactivation agent connects to your messaging platforms, finds every conversation that stalled, and reopens it with context. It knows what the lead asked, what they were offered, and when they went quiet. It sends a follow-up that sounds like a human because it is replying to an actual prior conversation, not a cold blast. This is the system that pays for itself fastest. You already paid to get that lead. The reactivation agent just collects the money you already earned. Connect it to your support plugin, and the same loop handles inbound questions. Every raised hand gets a reply in seconds, not days. Now let's talk about the system that turns every other system into revenue: speed to lead. Here's what speed to lead means. A prospect responds to your ad, they comment on your post, they reply to your email, they fill out a form. The moment they raise their hand, a clock starts. Speed to lead is how fast you get back to that person, and the numbers on this are brutal. An MIT study based on roughly 15,000 leads found that contacting a lead within 5 minutes makes you 21 times more likely to qualify them than waiting just 30 minutes. The same study found you are roughly 100 times more likely to connect at all. This is why speed to lead is not a marketing nice to have. It is the difference between a lead that closes and a lead that goes cold. An agent fixes this because it doesn't sleep, it doesn't get distracted, and it doesn't have a queue. The moment a prospect responds on any channel, the agent detects it, calls, texts, and emails, and does it within minutes. System 3 is the one most teams still do by hand: lead scraping and enrichment. Manual enrichment is a job that should not exist. When you pull a list of businesses, every row is missing data, missing email, missing owner, missing employee count. Someone has to go find that data and type it back in. An enrichment agent replaces that entire step. It takes a list, runs it through data sources, and returns every row completed. Firmographics, contact details, tech stack, hiring signals, all done. The agent runs continuously. New leads arrive, the agent enriches them, the list stays warm, no spreadsheet open on someone's laptop at midnight. This is the first skill in the agentic loop. It feeds every other system downstream. Clean data in, better decisions out. The main thing to remember is this: enrichment is not creative work, it is lookup work. It is exactly the kind of work agents should own. System 4 is the one that builds your inbound engine while you sleep. Here's the part that most people miss: search is not a project you do once, it is a position you have to hold. Rankings decay, competitors publish, content ages, and while all of that happens, nobody is watching. An SEO agent watches for you. It runs keyword search on a schedule, finds the terms your buyers are actually searching, and turns each one into a content brief: topic, target, keyword, questions to answer, the gap your competitors left open. Then it goes further. It audits what you already have, finds the pages that are losing rankings, and refreshes them. New data, new internal links, new title. The content that was quietly slipping recovers without a human touching it. This is where an SEO agent earns its keep against an ads agent. Ads stop the moment you stop paying. SEO compounds. Every piece of content the agent produces becomes a permanent asset that generates leads months later. And notice how it feeds the loop. The SEO agent generates organic traffic. The traffic lands on your site, shows intent, and becomes a lead. Then speed to lead takes over. Inbound demand captured and acted on automatically. The main thing to remember is this: an SEO agent does not write for algorithms, it writes for the buyer, then makes sure the buyer can find it. System 5 runs right before the call. Pre call research. The meeting is on the calendar. The agent assembles the full picture in one page: the lead's company, their recent announcements, their hiring activity, the exact message that got them to book. Your salesperson walks into the meeting fully prepared. Most sales reps spend 30 minutes before every call doing this manually, if they even do it at all, which they should be, because knowing even basic information about a lead before a call can make a huge difference. Now you can start to see the shape of the full AI marketing workforce: SEO, lead enrichment, support and reactivation, speed to lead, and pre call research. 5 modular systems. You plug in the ones your business needs today and then start to build out the rest. The more systems you connect and the tighter the loop, the less the business depends on any one person remembering to do a task. Now let's talk about how to actually build this out. You can build these systems in the harness of your choice: Claude Code, OpenClaw, Hermes. The harness is not the system. The system is the same in all three. There are 3 steps. Do them in this order. First, give the workspace the context it needs. An agent with no context guesses. An agent with context executes. Before you connect anything, write down the facts the workspace has to know: who the business is, who the buyer is, what a qualified lead looks like, what the offer is, what the voice is, which channel you actually use. That context is what every system in the stack reads from. Enrichment uses it to decide which fields matter. SEO uses it to know which buyer questions to target. Reactivation uses it to sound like you. Speed to lead uses it to draft a reply that matches the offer. And pre-call research uses it to know what the founder actually needs on the page. Skip this step and the agent produces generic output. Generic output does not convert. Context is the foundation. Second, you need to connect the right tools. A skill with the right tools becomes a functional AI agent. Each system in the stack needs a specific set of connections. Enrichment needs data sources and a place to write the completed row: a CRM, a sheet, a database. SEO needs search data and a place to publish: Search Console, your CMS, analytics. Reactivation needs access to conversations that stalled: Telegram, WhatsApp, email, whatever inbox your leads already live in. Speed to lead needs the inbound trigger: form webhooks, add comments, social replies, email replies. The moment a prospect raises their hand, that event has to land in the workspace. Pre-call research needs the calendar in the lead record. The meeting is the trigger. The enriched profile is the input. Connect only what the system needs. Do not dump every integration into every agent. Tight tool access is what keeps the agentic loop clean. Third, build the skills that complete the tasks. A skill is the repeatable procedure the agent follows once it has context and tools. One skill, one job. The enrichment skill takes a raw row and returns a completed profile. The SEO skill takes a keyword or a decaying page and returns a brief, a refresh, or a publish ready update. The reactivation skill finds a stalled thread and reopens it with the prior context intact. The speed to lead skill fires the moment a prospect responds and sends a reply within 5 minutes. The pre-call skill assembles one page before the meeting starts. Each skill runs the same agentic loop: capture the signal, enrich the context, take the action, learn from the result. The loop is identical whether the harness is Claude Code, OpenClaw, or Hermes. Do not build all 5 skills at the same time. Build one skill end to end, test it, make sure it works. Then add the next system into the same workspace with the same context and the next set of tools. The main thing to remember is this: context first, tools second, skills third. Get the order wrong and the harness does not matter. The most important factor for using any of these tools is understanding the fundamentals of multi-agent systems. Every vendor, every framework, every new agent product is just a different way to reassemble the same loop. Capture a signal, enrich the context, take an action, learn from the result. If you want the full PDF guide on how to use these marketing agents, you can find it in our free school community. The link is in the description. And if you want to learn in depth how to build multi-agent systems that drive real value, make sure to like and follow and leave a comment below to let me know what you want to learn next. I read every single one. I'll see you in the next video.